Rachel, and today I'm back with another video. This time we're going to be doing an unboxing video, and I think you can tell that I'm unboxing my Moterm planners, not one but two. So we've got the B6 and we've got the Hobonichi Weeks. I ordered them directly from AliExpress, and I have no idea what shipping I picked because I didn't pick it. I don't know whether it saved the shipping that I chose the last time and just went with that, or whether or not I missed the part where I was supposed to choose shipping. But I did get tracking with it, so I was pleased about that because I was worried that it was not going to be tracked. So as I was opening then, I've realised they were both in different boxes. This one is my Hobonichi Weeks, which is just in the standard box that comes in a box, and this one seemed to be in like a more fancier black box, and they both did just come exactly like that in a parcel in cellophane. So I've not pulled that one out of a different box. So we'll go with this one first then. Now this is my black Moterm that is going to be in B6 size for my Stalogy. You guys know, oh my goodness, I love it. You guys know that I've been after this for a while now. I just got it in my head that I wanted a black planner and I wanted all galaxy themed things, which I have actually ordered as well from different places. So I've got a haul coming up soon that's got lots of galaxy things in. But this is just the same as, oh I love it, this is just the same as my my peach one that I had that I did sell to fund buying this one because I didn't need two. So we have got the same configuration. We've got the card slot pockets down the side there. Some of them are bigger than others. These ones are sort of what do I have that I can show you? I have a bracelet. These ones don't go any deeper than that, but these ones at the bottom here are a little bit deeper, which is it's better actually because it means that my die cuts and things won't slip. And then we've got a pocket here on this side. We have got a pocket there on that side. Now it's not a through pocket. I originally did think that they were a through pocket, but they're not. And then we have got a pocket here with the little dangly tassely things in that I don't like. I don't like these, but I won't snip them off because if I want to sell it, whoever has this next might want them. And then I have got a secretarial pocket on this side, a little pocket there, a pocket there, and the best thing ever, the big back pocket. So that is where my beautiful Moterm is going to live, and I am going to pop her in with the cover on cover as well. Now she will get to the point where she won't fasten because she's already quite chunky, but I don't care about that. I'm not going to be taking her out of the house. So yeah, I am extremely happy with this one. So let's move on to the next one and unbox that one. So this one was a bit of a, I was going to say an unnecessary purchase, but aren't they all unnecessary purchases, these Moterm purchases that we make? A surprise purchase because I didn't know I was going to do it. I sold my pink Moterm Hobonichi Weeks cover and I bought a white one completely on a whim. I don't even know why. So yeah, there she is. I don't even know why. I just fancied a white one, so I bought a white one. So yeah, this one has got the double popper on it, which I wish that the B6 had. It doesn't, but it doesn't matter. But I'm going to have my PP Weeks in here, and I did in my pink one have my old PP Weeks in that was very fat and very chunky, and I did manage to get it shut, so there will be no problems shutting that one. So we've basically got the same layout on the inside here. We've got the two little strings. We have got the slots for the card pockets down there. Is it the same situation? These seem to all be long ones. Where's my little thing gone that I was putting down? These seem to all be long ones. Yeah, these are all just really, really long pockets that go right down. Then we have got the pocket on the side here and the pocket on the side there. We've got this pocket and this pocket. We've got a secretarial pocket, and we do have a big back pocket as well. Now, I will say about this, if I can find a white piece of paper, this is not a true white. This is an off-white. It's not a cream, but it's definitely not a true white. So I've just got a white piece of paper there. You can see very clearly that that is not a true white. So just something to bear in mind if you are thinking about ordering one of these. It's a beautiful colour though, and I do love it, and this is going to house my PP Weeks. So yeah, really happy with my purchases. Like I said, I don't know what postage I chose, but they did come relatively quickly. I think I ordered them at the beginning of December, and today is the 4th of January. So not too bad at all, considering that they've come from AliExpress. So yeah, that's today's video, just a quick one. I was going to unbox them separately, but then I thought, you know what, I'll just put them together, and that's a job done then, isn't it? So yeah, my new Moterms. If you like this video, if you can give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I love you forever, and I'll see you soon. Bye.